what's up? Following the video that I made last week about Denver, now today we're going to talk about Consensus that's going to be happening in Hong Kong. Specifically, what side events should you be attending if you want to make the most of the business. So now I'm looking at the list and I'm going to show you the list as well. This is the list that I'm thinking about. This is a list of 105 side events. And I will break down exactly how I'm looking, how I'm choosing where I want to go. First of all, everything that is featured by Crypto Nomads Club, definitely go there. Second of all, I'm looking for everything that is organized either by a big company, the one that I would love to get to know about, or something that has something that is called VC founders breakfast, brunch, lunch, evening, soiree, whatever. That's typically very good events to be attending. So if I'm looking at just the first day of this event, Telegram Builders Day, of course, because we build the tool for Telegram, Web3 Connect, Community Friends, BTX Capital, Serotonin is a very cool marketing agency. Definitely definitely go and talk with them. The next day is maybe the Mimix, because there's going to be Pudgy Penguins. Then we're going to have Solana Foundation. Then we're going to have the Pit Network. Then we're going to have Monad Foundation. Cocktails, Fractal is a great company. They're organizing very, very good events. So definitely go. And Consensus.com, VCs and LPs. This is where the business is going to be happening. DVF Labs, OG Club, Solana Name Services, BitGet Asia. Definitely go and meet all of the teams there, because it's going to be very easy for you. Certic Space, Syn Futures, Base Syn Futures again, it's the same event. You get my point. This is how I'm prioritizing events. I just look at the companies, the ones that I don't know, like CLS Global, or the ones that I know that are big or interesting. You go there and you meet their teams. That's basically it. And if it's a big event that's organized by a credible company, by a credible couple of people, then you're gonna have a lot of fun, because at the end of the day, you're gonna meet the right people. If everybody's looking and like, okay, we want to meet the base team, then you will meet the base team itself on that event, and you will meet everyone who wants to meet the base team. And the chance there's gonna be like a very high profile people, also big. So this is basically like, it's not a secret. Just go here, go through the list, go to the companies that you really, really like, apply to meet with them, and that's it. So this is like really the main idea. And again, if you don't know how to if you don't know how to navigate the events, I would recommend you watching the free webinar that I ran just last week. It was about preparing for Web3 events on the example of Denver, but I want to give you the full framework of preparing for events, going to events, how to navigate the event, and what to do after the event to make sure that you are not losing conversations, you're not losing leads. So if you're interested, there's going to be a link. There's going to be first one in the description. Next week, I'm going to drop a couple of more videos about Consensus and about Denver. So please stay tuned for that one. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. And if you're interested in something, just drop me a DM. I'm going to leave my contact details below. Thank you and see you.